Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing the most important bits regarding the biology. So these are the most important bits in all competitive exams. Generally the diseases and vitamins, what are the vitamins are required, the types of vitamins, the deficiency. So these are we will discussing today. So these are the most important bits. So please watch and observe our channel. So if you are like, please kindly encourage, like and share our channel. Thank you. So now we'll discussing about the bit number one. The substances that gives energy to the living organisms are called. So when we are the living organisms is to energy to getting the energy for living and the metabolic activities. So the most important is the nutrients. Nutrients are the most important. So metabolic activities to carry it out. So the second question, what nutrients are helps in? So nutrient, what is the main role of help the nutrients in the living organisms? So maintains repair and growth of our living organisms. That is the most important nutrients. Question number 3. Nutrients are classified into how many types of nutrients are classified? So micronutrients and macronutrients. So the next question, what is the example of micronutrients are the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These are the most essential. They are the most essential in our living organism, in our human body. Okay, so these are the most important. But these are required, not more than required, because it leads to the different diseases. So what we'll discuss in the later. The question number 5, in which biocatalyst helps in the breaking down of complex compounds into simple substances. The main enzymes are required. The biocatalyst help to the breakdown of the complex compound into the simple substances. Is the main role is the enzymes. This is the most important bit. Not only this bit, each and every bit are the most essential and most important to our all the competitive exams. The next question, example of micronutrients. So both vitamins and minerals are the most important in our living organisms as well as in our human body also. Next question, example of energy giving food. So the energy is we are getting food from the both carbohydrates and fats. These are the most essential are required for the energy getting from the carbohydrates and fats. The next question, what are the types of malnutrients? These are the proteins, calorie and calories. So this is the most essential. Question number 9, diseases are caused due to the malnutrients, Kawashekar and Mermosis. Okay, so this is overeating and excess of calories of food leads to obesity. It is very dangerous, either male or female. The obesity is leads to BP, heart attack, and failure of the kidney. So we must be consider and maintain the body balance. It means exercise and control fatty foods and calorie foods. Calorie foods also you have to maintain. The next question, question number 11. The symptoms of Kawashekar are swollen legs, dark skin, pulpy face. So when we are looking the news, WHO are announced in the African countries. Maybe you are watching in the TV. So the kids are having a big stomach and small face. The eyes and the legs and hands are very thin. So this is the symptoms of Kawashakar. So this is due to the vitamins, proteins deficiency. The example of protective food. Both vitamins and minerals are the protective food for our healthy person. In childhood, we must be give the vitamins and minerals to growth of the children's milk, egg, and vegetables. The next question: how many types of vitamins are in? These are two types generally. Only fat soluble vitamins and other one is the water soluble vitamins. The vitamins are two types. One is the fat soluble vitamins and other one is the water soluble vitamins. So example of water soluble vitamins. The water soluble vitamins A, E, D, K. Number one. The second one B complex and vitamin C. These are the water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. These are the two types. Okay, the water soluble vitamins B complex and C, the fat soluble vitamins A, E, D, K. The important of vitamins. What is the main important of vitamins? So the most important vitamins, then we will discussing about that one. Vitamin A. So this is called retinol. So required to enable to night vision. Seen human cells need for transfusion of light required vitamin A. The deficiency of the vitamin A is leads to night blindness. Night vision, you cannot be see the after night, so it is unable to look. So this is the main important. The proteins are required with the vitamins are required. So the most important vitamin carrot present in the vitamin A. Vitamin B1 necessary for milk is secretion of melanin and also cholesterol levels. That the main important vitamin B1 is the main important. So this is necessary for my secretion of melanin and also cholesterol levels. Cholesterol levels must be controlled. Next, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, boost the immune system and fatigue used for the muscles. So when we are deficiency of the vitamin C, it leads to muscles problems and immune system and some diseases also occurs. They can fight. Vitamin D, calciferol. The formation of RNA need vitamin D and helps bones absorb calcium healthy and strong and to reduce the risk of platelets. So the most important D vitamin, this is also called sunshine vitamin and naturally occurring vitamin. These are the three names vitamin D. So sunshine vitamin and naturally occurring vitamin also is called D vitamin. Vitamin E, also alpha tocopherol. So it is an antioxidant property that helps our body get rid of free radicals and assist in the formation of red blood cells. When the red blood cells will less quantity, so it will lead different problems in our health. So it is the main important role in the formation of red blood cells, RBC. Next, vitamin K, piloquinone. So essential in increasing some important proteins and essential for blood clotting. So when the injury will take place immediately, within 3 to 5 minutes, they must be clot of the blood. The main important vitamin K. This is the very important bit. Vitamin K, the clotting of the blood. So we will discussing about all these things in the next video. So basically we must be know this one. So vitamin A solubility, food source and deficiency. So vitamins A. So vitamin A fat soluble. So we are discussing about the vitamins solubility and food sources and deficiency. So for example, vitamin A, fat soluble, green leaves where you obtained. So it is the water soluble. So green leaves, vegetables, milk, apples, yellow fruits, milk, liver and nuts, watermelon. It can be obtained this one. So deficiency, night blindness. So previously we were discussing about the vitamin A, that is the night blindness. Vitamin B1, thiamine. So vitamin B1 thiamine is also water soluble vitamin. It obtained from the fresh fruits, potatoes, crowns, cashew, dates and wheat and milk. Deficiency, very deficiency will occur. Very important bit also this one. All these bits are regarding all the competitive exams, either SSC, RRB groups. So these are the most important bits. Be careful and read and listen the bits. Next, vitamin B2, riboflavin. Sometimes they are asking to the questions the vitamins and the scientific names. You must be remember the vitamins and the scientific names. So vitamin B2 is the riboflavin. This is the water soluble. Banana, dates, mushrooms, grapes, mangoes, pumpkin, popcorns. So the deficiency, glycolysis deficiency occurs. Next, vitamin B3, niacin. Very important bit. So many times they are asking what is the scientific name of the vitamin B3. That is the niacin. So it can obtain from meat, fish, egg, milk products, cereals. So deficiency, it can be occurred in the pellagra. Several times asking the question vitamin B3 deficiency, it leads to pellagra. Next, vitamin C, water soluble, fresh foods, goat milk, cuts, vitamins D. So vitamin D, the fat soluble vitamin, though it obtained from the fish, egg, liver, cod, chicken. So deficiency rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Osteoporosis also, this is the one disease is obtained the vitamin D. If the vitamin D is deficiency, so that is the main defect. Rickets. Rickets means in the children's they broken the bones. In the adults, so that bones fractured and it leads very smooth. Leads very smooth. When a small accident will happen, so it will damage the bones. So vitamin K. So it is also fat soluble. It can be obtained potatoes, pumpkin, mango, milk, nuts. Deficiency, sterility in children's and abortion in female. So this is the most important and essential for the when she becomes a pregnant. They must be followed. They must be maintain the vitamin K. Otherwise, it will defect the very difficult. And some of the females, the abortions also will take place. He cannot carrying the pregnancy. So that is the most essential way vitamins. Vitamin K. It is also fat soluble vitamin. Tomatoes, cheese, nuts, cashew nuts, and plum, mangoes, and grapes. The next question. The white color of milk is due to lysine proteins. So this is the due to the color of the milk. Lysine milk protein. So next one. The white color of milk is due to riboflavin or beta carotenes. So this is the main. This is also most important. Several times they are asking the question. This one, the color of the milk is due to riboflavin. The next question, how many amino acids are present in the human body? 20 amino acids are present in the human body. The rest of these presents in and outside of the, this is the most essential in the obtained from the soybeans. Rich richest proteins are present in the soybeans. Several times this question also coming, that's one they are asking. So the main hormone and rest, these are the important amino acids are present in the soybean. The next question, deadly blood coagulation or vitamin C is called phylloneuronin. It is called K, vitamin K. Rickets in children is caused due to the deficiency of in which vitamin? So vitamin D, the rickets in children. The scientific name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The next question, deficiency of vitamin B3 is caused by pellagra. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So the blood is coming in the gums. The next question, question number 25. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. So iodine deficiency, it will lead to the thyroid deficiency. Iodine is the most essential for the our thyroxine, making of the thyroxine. These thyroid glands are present in your neck, in front of your neck, is just like butterfly shape. So these are the most important bits regarding the vitamins. So I requesting all of you, please watch the video and observe the video, and you have to maintain and separate notes, you have to write that one. In the coming up, then we will discussing about all these bits in our classes, and some more videos within shortly we will release. So I hope if you like, please share and watch the video in your friends also. Thank you very much.